So here's how to reduce background music sound in Invideo. First of all, you need to open up your browser and then go to invideo.io. So as you can see, I'm already here and logged into my account. Also, click on the link down in the description if you want to try Invideo for free. So after you register and log into your Invideo account, you'll get to see a dashboard like this. And as you can see, there are multiple options available. Click on Stock Video from here. After that, from the videos, choose the one that you want. Then, click on Add to Project. You can then select the mode that you like. I will go with Landscape. So after you're done selecting, wait for your video to load up. And as you can see, there are two sections on the bottom. One for the video and one is for the audio. Now, just right-click on the audio section. After that, click on Volume from the options. Then, on the left side, a volume panel will pop up. Just slide the bar and adjust the volume according to your preference. This way, you can easily reduce the background music sound in Invideo. Don't forget to click on the link down in the description if you want to try Invideo for free. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.